Hi viewers, I am Dr. SHYAMALA Mary, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. Today I am going to teach you about shifting theorems, differentiation and integration in Laplace transform. In the last video I have uploaded the basic results in Laplace transform. Here I am going to continue the shifting theorems results. First, shifting theorem. If L of f of t equal to f dash of s, or we can say that capital F of s, then L of e power at f of t equal to f dash of s minus a. That is, L of f of t, s is replaced by s minus a. Proof. By definition, we can write L of e power at into f of t equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power at f of t dt. So this can be written as integral 0 to infinity e power minus of s minus a into t f of t dt. Now instead of s minus a, can put r. So e power minus rt f of t dt. Now this is in the form of the basic result, that is the definition of Laplace transform. Instead of a we have r. So this can be taken as in f dash of r. So r is nothing but s minus a. So you replace instead of r s minus a. That is equal to f dash of s minus a. Therefore, L of e power at into f of t equal to f dash of s minus a. So, similarly, we can prove L of e power minus at into f of t, which is equal to f dash of s plus a. Next, we see examples based on this first shifting theorem. L of e power minus 3t into cos 4t. This is the second result. L of e power minus at into f of t equal to f dash of s plus a. So, first find out f of t. Here f of t is cos 4t. Now take Laplace transform for cos 4t. L of cos 4t equal to, what is the formula for this one? S by s square plus a square. Here a is nothing but 4, so which replace this one. So L of cos 4t equal to s by s square plus 4 square. So finally you replace s by s plus 3. So that's our result. So L of e power minus 3t into cos 4t equal to s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 the whole square plus 4 square. Next one, L of e power 2t into cos h 2t. So here the result is L of e power at into f of t, which is equal to L of f of t. S is replaced by s minus a. So first find out what is L of cos h 2t. By the formula we can write this is s by s square minus 2 square. Here a equal to 2. So replace instead of a 2. Now you take L of e power 2t into cos 4t. So that is L of cos h 2t. Here s is replaced by s minus a. Here a is nothing but 2. So replace s by s minus 2 in the previous result. That is s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 the whole square minus 2 square. Next, second shifting theorem. If L of f of t equal to f dash of s, then L of f of t minus a into u of t minus a equal to e power minus as into f dash of s, or which can be written as e power minus as into L of f of t. Corollary, L of f of t into u of t minus a equal to e power minus as into L of f of t plus a. So this is the second shifting theorem. See the example. Now this is the differentiation and integration formula for Laplace transform. See the example later. Differentiation of Laplace transform. If L of f of t equal to f dash of s, then L of t power n f of t. This is in the form of multiplication. L of t power n f of t, which is equal to minus 1 the whole power n d power n by ds power n into f dash of s, or we can say that L of f of t. This is the differentiation in Laplace transform. Next we see integration of Laplace transform. If L of f of t equal to f dash of s, then L of f of t by t. So this term is called integration. L of f of t by t, which is equal to integral s to infinity f of s into ds. Integral s to infinity, sorry, not 0, f dash of s into ds. Let us see some examples. Example of Laplace multiplication. L of t square into e power at. Now what is the formula for multiplication? L of t power n into e f of t, which is equal to minus 1 the whole power n d power n by ds power n into L of f of t. So here f of t is nothing but e power at. Instead of n you replace 2. So L of t square into e power at equal to minus 1 the whole square into d square by ds square into L of e power at. L of e power at is nothing but 1 by s minus a. Now we are going to differentiate this twice. We'll get the result. So minus 1 the whole square is plus 1 into d by ds of 1 by s minus a. When you differentiate this one, we'll get minus 1 by s minus a the whole square. This was first differentiation. Again we have to differentiate this one with respect to s. Take this term to the numerator. So we have s minus a the whole power minus 2. When you differentiate this one, we'll get 2 by s minus a the whole power 3. So L of t square e power at equal to 2 by s minus a the whole power 3. Next is the example of Laplace integration. L of sin wt divided by t. Solution L of sin wt. So what is the formula for this one? L of f of t by t equal to integral s to infinity L of f of t into ds. So here what is f of t? Sin wt. L of sin wt is nothing but integral s to infinity w divided by s square plus w square into ds. So this is nothing but L of sin wt. So first we have to integrate this one and then substitute the limit, we will get the result. Here this w is a constant, take this constant out. So integral s to infinity ds by s square plus w square. So what is the integral of this one? 1 by w into tan inverse of s by w. Here substitute the limit s to infinity. When you substitute the upper limit and the lower limit, we'll get tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s by w. The previous step, w and w will get cancelled. So we substitute the limit. Tan inverse of infinity, this is pi by 2, minus tan inverse of s by w. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s by w can be written as cot inverse of s by w. So L of sin WT by T equal to cot inverse of S by W. So this is an example of a shifting theorem, second shifting theorem. L of e power minus 3t into u of t minus 2. Here f of t is equal to e power minus 3t and a equal to 2. So substitute in the result. L of e power minus 3t into u of t minus 2 can be written as e power minus 2s into L of e power minus 3 into t plus 2. So here e power minus 3t, multiply this minus 3 inside, minus 3t minus 6. So e power a plus b. Now we can use the property e power a plus b can be written as e power a into e power b. So here e power minus 6 is a constant. Now take this constant out. So substitute only L for e power minus 3t. So we know the formula for L of e power minus 3t, that is 1 by s plus 3. So e power minus 2s into e power minus 6 can be written as e power minus of 2s plus 6 into 1 by s plus 3. When you simplify this one, we have e power minus 2 into s plus 3 divided by s plus 3. Thank you.